Good day all. Welcome to Data Processing e-learning class for Senior Secondary School 2. Today's lesson is titled Web Design Packages 3. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to mention examples of web design packages and describe each of them. Before we do that, we will define what a web design package is. It is an application package which is used to create, maintain a website. There are so many website design packages, but the ones we are going to talk about in this lesson are as follows. 1. iWeb. 2. Microsoft Front Page. 3. Adobe Dreamweaver. 4. Microsoft Expression Web 3 and Studio version. 5. WebPlus X4 version. 6. NetObjects Fusion. And 7. Maya. The first we will talk about is iWeb. iWeb is used to create a website in just few minutes without the knowledge of programming language or HTML. HTML is programming language used in website development. iWeb is used to create websites and blogs and also incorporate services such as Facebook, YouTube, Google AdSense, and Google Maps. Here is a typical task pane for iWeb. Here you can see welcome page, about page, photo page, and so on and so forth. It has templates which allows you to customize each of these templates with your own pictures or words as you so wish. The next website designing package we'll talk about is Microsoft Front Page. It is a website publishing program which is owned by Microsoft. It uses HTML code and designs website using what you see is what you get. A typical Microsoft Front Page task pane is this. Here, this top bar is known as the menu bar, just like you have it in other application packages. But this next one here is the standard toolbar, this bar here. And the next ones here are the formatting toolbar. The formatting toolbar. These are open web pages. You can see that they are already open. And here, this bar here is the picture toolbar. You can see the pictures. And at the bottom here, you will see the design tab where you carry out the design of your website. The next is the HTML code tab where you run your codes or programs. Here is the preview tab which shows you how your website will look like when it is published. The next website design package we'll consider is Microsoft Expression Web 3 and Studio version. It is an HTML editor and general web design software owned by Microsoft. It can be used to design and develop web pages using XML, CSS version 2.1, ASP.NET, and so on and so forth. Here is a typical task pane where a website can be designed. You can see the working environment, You can see the different tools and facilities it has, which can be used to design a website. The next web design package is Adobe Dreamweaver. This is a very complex professional website designing package. We say it is professional web development software because it is used by experts, people who are experienced in website development. It can be used on both Mac and Windows operating systems. Here is a typical task pane for Adobe Dreamweaver. You can see the codes, HTML codes. You can see the website designing environment for Adobe Dreamweaver. The next website design software is WebPlus X4. It is now owned by Microsoft Corporation. Another version, WebPlus X6, is a quick and easy way for business to create and publish eye-catching desktop and mobile sites without having codes knowledge. Here is a typical task pane for WebPlus X6. You can see this is the X6 version, and you can see the different features, different tools it has which can be used to design a website. The next website design package I will talk about is the NetObject Fusion. It is a commercial software, which means that it is not free. You have to buy it before you can use it. It has graphical user interface and generates HTML or XHTML through its own proprietary database. It is user-friendly. As we know, all graphical user interface are all user-friendly. Here is a typical task pane for NetObject Fusion. You can see that it allows graphical packages to be used in the application in designing websites. The last website design package that we'll consider is the Amaya package. It is an open source application software for designing websites. Open source means that it is free. You can download it free and use it to design a website. It also uses what you see is what you get, and also uses HTML. Amaya displays free and open image formats such as PNG and SVG. Here is a typical task pane for Amaya. You can see the different tools it has which can be used to design a website. Thank you for listening and viewing this. Till we meet in our next class. Also go over to your Google Classroom to access other materials that have been sent for this lesson.